Before I die, my Lord, within the biblical record that was inspired by your Spirit and written for the sons of mankind, I have but one question that I must ask from my heart that has caused my soul to be in fear. Him who lived in the ancient days made the statement, "O Lord, do not refuse me before I die." I beg that you understand my fear. For there's no man that's walked upon this earth with your word tied to his heart does not become a victim to Sheol. For I am not a fool that I should believe that my path should be any different. As my heart speaks, I ask that you incline your ear to listen. If a ship had no rudder, how shall it be guided? And if a ship had no anchor, how can it find rest? I am like a ship without a rudder. I beg that you guide my heart so that my soul will not be in fear, and that you anchor my heart upon your word so that I can find my rest. And as I lie here in my resting place, I beg that you cause my soul to stand, because my greatest fear is that I give you a reason to refuse me before I die.